So I'm just going to tell you a bit about sketches and what they are used for. So if you go up here on this panel here on sketch, you can see you have different types of sketches. So you have 4 primitives, then you have 2 drawing sketch tools. So you have one that is polyline and one that is spline. I will show you the difference very soon. And then you have arcs and some tools. So we will focus on the first ones here now. So the way you do to create a sketch is just to go up here and then left click on one of them, and then click on your grid, always with your left mouse button, and you can click on 2 points to create a rectangle. And when it's done, you would just click enter. If you want any other shape, you can just draw the same way. So these are very basic shapes, but if you want another shape, you will go to spline or polyline. So the difference between those two are that polyline will give you straight lines. So it could be something like this. Then I click enter. Or it could be a spline which is curved like this. After you have created a sketch, you can edit them by selecting the edge and dragging it. So I'm using the left mouse button again. Just click and drag. You can also click on the spline points that you made and change your shape. So this is very useful. Sketches are just 2D shapes. They are not really any models, so you cannot. They are not really anything physical that you can see. Or you can see it, but you cannot print it, for example. Or it's not. It's just a shape. So what you use them for is to create a 3-dimensional shape. And the 2 simplest ways to make a 3D model out of a sketch is using Extrude and Revolve. So I would say those are the 2 simplest ones. So if you go in Construct here, the next tab, you have Extrude. If you click this one, you can choose any shape you want. So it has to be a closed one. So let's say I take this one, and then you have to click in the middle or on the face, not on the edge. And then you can drag this arrow up or down, or you can type in a number and then just click enter. So there you have it. It's a shape, a 3-dimensional model, sorry. And you can do the same with any sketch. The revolve tool is also very simple to use. You just click on revolve. You will be asked for a profile and an axis. So profile is already selected here. So I will choose this sketch, and then it will ask for an axis. So you click on axis and you click on one of your lines. So an axis has to be a line, some sort of line where your profile will revolve around. So if I click here, you will immediately get this wheel, which you can click and drag, and your sketch will revolve around it. So and drag it, or you can type in a number. So if you want half a donut, you click 180 and enter. So this is very simple. So there's many more uses of sketches, but just for now, I will introduce you. I will just introduce Extrude and Revolve, and a bit later I will show you a lot of other tools that you can use the sketches with. So you should just play around with drawing some sketches and making some models out of them, and then go to the next video. Good luck.